Hello, this brief video shares what you need to know to access counseling services at the Cleveland State University Counseling Center. The CSU Counseling Center provides a variety of counseling services and referrals. Group, couples, and individual counseling are available, both in person or on our secure and confidential Zoom for Healthcare platform. Students can obtain a 30 to 40-minute phone screening appointment to begin services by calling 216-687-2277. We also have available Monday through Friday from 1 to 3 p.m. crisis walk-in hours, where any student can come to talk about an urgent concern, and a counselor is set aside to have time available for those concerns. Of course, if you call ahead at 216-687-2277, that will help us prepare for your visit. We also have 24 hours, 7 days a week, 365 days a year, backup phone counseling for urgent concerns after 5 p.m. and on the weekends. All a student need do is dial 216-687-2277 and remain on the line, and you will be connected to a phone counselor who is familiar with university concerns and will be able to help and provide assistance. Our staff at the CSU Counseling Center, it consists of licensed psychologists, doctoral student counselors, psychiatrists, and a case manager. The mission of the CSU Counseling Center is to support and empower our diverse student community, and we take it very seriously as our mission to provide access to all of our diverse students. Why might you call the Counseling Center? Students call for a variety of concerns. Perhaps one is stressed about COVID-19. Many students might be feeling sad or anxious for longer than usual and want to utilize services. Managing depression, anxiety, or mental health concerns is assistance that is provided. If you are coping with grief, loss, or life transitions that are very challenging, we're there to help. Using alcohol or drugs more than you want to, we can provide referrals for assistance in that area. Having experienced a recent trauma or assault, the Counseling Center is a good place to connect with for services. If you are having thoughts of suicide or hurting yourself, we are glad to help with that, as well as disordered eating, or if you are concerned about a friend. What happens when you call the CSU Counseling Center? You are scheduled for a brief phone screening appointment with a therapist. And although that is not crisis intervention or not yet therapy, the therapist will ask you questions and then provide you with a number of options tailored for your needs. So what are some of those options at the CSU Counseling Center? We have a variety of coping skills groups. We provide group therapy. We have individual short-term therapy, couples therapy, consultation for medications with a psychiatrist, clinical case management and referral to resources in the community. We have crisis phone-in sessions as well as walk-in sessions available, and we can help with career counseling. If you participate in a phone screening referral, you might also be offered other options, which include referral for individual therapy with All for One Health Student Assistance Program, and we are able to secure students at Cleveland State University for up to 8 free sessions with that service. We also have referrals for specialized treatment and referrals to other CSU resources or community resources that might be relevant to you. What if you have an urgent concern and you can't wait 1, 2, 3, or 4 days for a phone screening? We do have crisis walk-in hours Monday through Friday from 1 to 3 p.m. And if you are in crisis Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., please just call us and we'll work out a way that you can be seen very quickly that same day. If you've been physically or sexually assaulted, we would love to have you use our crisis walk-in hours, as that is something that can be helped best by being addressed very quickly. If you are seeing things or hearing things that you are not really there, or hearing voices telling you to hurt yourself or someone else, immediate help is available. Also, if you have thoughts of killing yourself or hurting someone else, immediate help is advised. Also, feeling out of control in response to a panic attack can be overwhelming, and we can help with that. Feel free to call us anytime. 24-hour services are available. 216-687-2277. And if you just stay on the line, if our offices are closed, a phone counselor will come on the line and help with your urgent concern. This service is nicely utilized and easily utilized after hours and on the weekends. And help can be afforded to you in terms of help with panic, depression, suicidal thoughts, feeling overwhelmed, a sudden loss or a breakup, or if you're worried about a friend. Our psychiatry services include services from supervising psychiatrist Dr. Alex Wang and psychiatry residents working with her. CSU psychiatrists prescribe medications and can help us understand more about a student's particular diagnosis. There are fees associated with their service, namely $50 for a 1-hour intake and $30 for a follow-up appointment. We do not accept insurance payments for those services, but you can apply for a financial waiver of fees. For example, if you qualify for a Pell Grant, you can apply for a financial waiver of fees and you will not have to pay for your psychiatry appointments. We also want to let you know that clinical case management with care manager Catherine Bussert is available. KB can help you with getting signed up for Medicaid and or benefits like SNAP or unemployment benefits. She can help prevent or help you recover from being homeless through resources such as the Cleveland Housing Network. She provides support and check-ins for students at risk for suicide and helps many persons with follow-up plans from hospital visits and getting connected to more intensive treatment if that is required. You might also be connected to CSU and off-campus resources to help alleviate any barriers to well-being and academic success. The CSU Counseling Center wants to thank you for watching and listening to our video. We hope that you have found it helpful and will be encouraged to utilize our services if you should ever need. We wish you well with your studies here at Cleveland State University.